Welcome to the Rich Man Studios. Neville says prayers to be successful must be claiming rather than begging. But what does that really mean? Let me explain this to you with a simple example. Imagine you are walking down the street and you see your dream car. If you really want it, you would probably say, "Oh God, please bless me with this car." This kind of prayer is begging. That's how most people pray, because they are unaware of the creative force within themselves. They believe some external power will make their wishes come true. But the truth is, the creative force lies within you, in your subconscious mind. So instead of saying, "Oh God, please give me this car," say, "This car is mine and I am deeply grateful for it." Don't ask, claim it. That is what true prayer means. When you claim your desired object with your words, make sure you feel that it's already present in your experience. Your feeling must align with your affirmed statement. As Neville teaches, feeling is the secret. Feeling is the key to imprint your desired imagery into the subconscious mind. And once impressed, the subconscious turns it into reality. So remember, prayer is not begging but claiming, and it's up to the infinite intelligence to bring that claim to pass. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Bye.